Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on when you are seeing this video. Myself Akshat, and today is 16/12/2023, and I am going to start a new playlist in which I am going to teach you Python from beginning to intermediate level. So let's start with a long journey of you and me learning Python simultaneously. In this course, I am going to cover Python installation, basic syntax, and topics like inbuilt modules, functions, file handling, data handling, control flow, or maybe DSA if you say so. So, like this video, if you are new here, consider subscribing and let me know your comment suggestions in the comment section. Without wasting any more time, let us start with our first task of installing Python. To install Python, come on this official website in Google Chrome, python.org or org. So what's the current Python version? Python version 3.12.1. Click on this button and this Python installation is started. Before installing Python, what I'm saying is go in the control panel and see if you have already installed previous version of Python. If you have, then delete the previous version. I have one Python version already installed, so I'm going to delete it. So come on the control panel and delete this to Python 3.10.5. So as you can see, I'm done with uninstalling Python and my new Python version is also installed. Not installed, basically a simple .exe file got downloaded from the web. So click on this file, click on run. Now in this is very important. Listen to me very carefully. Basically add python.exe to path, and this another one is also important. What's the meaning of, I will discuss in later videos. Basically in the command prompt we can directly access Python. Click on the installation now button, gives the system permissions, and Python 3.1.1 is downloading. My PC is slow, that's why it's taking a little longer. Nevertheless, we are done with installing our Python. Now close this, refresh this, and if you want, you can restart your PC. Come to the terminal and write Python. Python is running. You can do this also. It's showing correctly. Your Python is completely installed. If you have done some problem, go in YouTube, search for the problem. You will find the solution. And if you are done with installing Python, come here and let's make our first Python project. You can write here also 5 plus 5 10, correct answer, but you can also write in here also. So we are going to come here and you can make a small smiley over here, save it, ctrl plus shift s in desktop, write first Python project .py. Python extension is py, pyw, and pyi. You guys, as you can see down, it's not coming here. Why happened? I saved in documents. No, Oh, OneDrive. I see. I accidentally save in OneDrive. So no problems. Grab it and put it here. Run from here. See, this is running. Hello world is done. Everybody clap for yourself. You have made your first Python project successfully. Now, our second task is to install PyCharm IDLE. PyCharm IDLE is made by JetBrains. So come here, write PyCharm, PyCharm download. Again, if you have already installed PyCharm, delete it. I already installed it, but I'm going to delete it for you. So where is my IDLE? Yeah, here it comes. Delete, uninstall. It may take a little longer. You can go and have a tea break or coffee break as you want. So I have deleted my old PyCharm. Let's install new. Come on Chrome, JetBrains, download PyCharm. I'm sorry, but my internet connection is not that fast. So okay, we have two versions of same thing. One is community edition and one is like a premium edition. Well, I also use this community edition. It's not bad, it's good. You will find almost every function in community edition. So for community edition, scroll down. Here you can see the community edition. Click on download. It started downloading. So it took reasonably long time, but my Python community edition.exe is downloaded. Let's install this community edition. Click on run. Click on next. Just click on next. Leave all of this thing. Just click on next, next, next and install. Again, this is going to take long time. So many coffee breaks, right? So this is also done. And again, sorry for the background noises. Click here, run PyCharm community edition and then click finish. Give computer some time. Okay, some sort of my old project is also open in this. That's why it's directly showing. No problems. I'll close this. Close project. When you first time install Python, this is the page you're going to see. Instead of all of these projects, you just see this page. You can write new project. In this new project, you can give project name like first project. First project. Click on, this is very important, otherwise your program is not going to run inside this editor. Click on create. Your new Python project is created. Now you have to make the Python file inside the project. So this is going to take few time because this is the first time app is opening. This is done. Now inside this file, right click, go on new and new Python file. Like you can give Python file name as sum.py. Okay, you don't need to actually write py, it's automatically comes py. So just refactor name. It's taking a little time, indexing and all is going on. So just wait for this to complete. So finally this is completed. You can either refactor this file or you can delete and create a new file with perfect name. So I'll write sum.py. You actually don't need to write py because it automatically writes py for you, where which takes the two number as an input and adds the number and print output. So what we are going to do, a is equals to int input, and write a comment for user like enter the number, and again enter second number, enter second number, print a plus b. This is going to print the sum of two numbers. Click here, enter first number 5 and other numbers 5, and you will get 10. Now you have successfully created your first Python project in the community edition. Now it's a challenge for you to write a Python code which takes integer r as an input parameter and returns the area of the circle. And everybody going to comment on this video, I'm going to give like. Thank you for seeing this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.